Hello students. So today we will learn how to find the rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So as we know on number line, we can get infinitely many rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So we will see how to find. The rational numbers. So in this example, they'll give how many rational numbers you have to find out between given two rational numbers, because we can find out infinitely many and any required number of rational numbers you can write. For example, suppose the question is find 5 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So you can find any 5 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. We can have infinitely many. In that, any 5 you can write. It is not necessary that particular 5 only have to write. You can write any 5 rational numbers. So we will see the rule. Rule first is what? Write given two rational numbers in P by Q form. So whatever examples we have to see whether they are in P by Q form or not. Next, denominator should be same or equal. If not, then make denominator same by finding LCM of denominators. Next, multiply new form of rational numbers. After finding the LCM of denominators, we will get the new form of same two rational numbers. So we have to multiply new form of rational numbers with n plus 1 number. So what is n here? N is a required number of rational numbers. If we want 5 rational numbers, then multiply new form of rational numbers. So here n is 5. We want total 5 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1. So you will get 6. With 6, at least minimum with 6 you have to multiply new form of rational numbers. Or more than 6 you can multiply. But not less than 6. You can multiply the new form rational number with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. But that should be more than 5. So we will take one example. So the example is 2 by 7 and 4 by 7. You have to find out 5 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 4 by 7. There are many rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, but we need 5. So first of all, we have to check whether they are in P by Q form or not. Yes, they are in P by Q form. Second rule is denominator should be same. Denominator is same. If not, then find the LCM. But they are same, so we'll go for third step. Then multiply new form of rational numbers. But we have the same form of rational numbers because denominators are same. If denominators are different, then you have to multiply with suitable number, make denominators same, so that you will get new form of rational numbers. So now we will multiply this new form. We got same form, no problem. So rational numbers with n plus 1 number. So here we need total, n is what? 5 rational numbers we need. N equals to 5 rational numbers we need. So we will multiply this both the rational numbers with n plus 5. n plus 1 is what? With n plus 1. n is 5 plus 1, that is 6. At least with 6 or more than 6 you have to multiply. You can multiply with 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. So 2 by 7 and here 4 by 7. Multiply this with 6 into 6. So 2 6 are 12. After multiplying you will get what? Equivalent rational numbers. 7 6 are 42. Net 4 6 are 24 and here 42. So as you got, you have made the denominators, even you get the denominator same here also and here also, because these are equivalent rational numbers. Now 12 upon 42 and 24 upon 42. So 40 to 42 same, and between 12 and 24 we have many numbers, isn't it? So 12 we have here. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 till 23. We have many rational numbers. So in that you can pick any 5 rational numbers and you can write the answer. So therefore 5 rational numbers between 12 by 42 can write, or the main form of this is what? 2 by 7. Between 2 by 7 and 4 by 7, because these are what? Equivalent forms. Means what? Value will be equal. So you can write 13 upon 42, 14 upon 42, then 15 upon 42. If you want to skip 16, you can skip. You can write 20 upon 42, then 21 upon 42. And remember, you should exclude these two. Between means these two you have to leave, and 13 to 23 you have to choose the rational numbers. So now we have the example where we have the denominator same. Now we'll see when the denominator is different. Four by 3 and here 1 by 5. So these two are the rational numbers. First rule is what? They should be in P by Q form. So both the numbers are in P by Q form. So next, we have to check whether denominator is same or not. Denominator is not same. So make the denominator same by finding the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5. 3 ones are, 5 ones are. So 3 5s are, 15 is LCM. So 3 into, how much is 15? 5s are. So here also you have to multiply with 5. So that we should get what equivalent rational number. 1 5s are, 1 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. Even here you have to multiply with 3. 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15. 1 3s are 3. Then 3 5s are 15. So here actually no need to multiply with 6. Why? Because between 3 and 20 you will get many rational numbers. Isn't it? Any 5 you can take. Otherwise, according to a rule, if you want to multiply, you can multiply 20 upon 15. We need 5 rational numbers. So we are going to multiply with 6. 3 upon 15 into 6. See, from 3 to 20 we have many numbers. So you can pick any numbers you can write. Otherwise you can increase this by 6. This is 60. 6 2s are 120. And here this is 90. Here 6 3s are 18. 15 6 are 90. So between 18 to 120 we have many numbers. You can write those numbers, any 5. So rational numbers, 5 rational numbers we need. 5 rational numbers between. So our main rational numbers are 4 by 3 and 1 by 5. And this 120 upon 90, it is what? The equivalent form of 4 by 3. 18 upon 19 is equivalent form of this. So you can write any rational number. So 19 upon 90, I'll write, then 20 upon 90. Then I would like to take 100 upon 90. Then 110 upon 90. Then 119 upon 90. Any rational numbers you can write. So now we'll see the third type. So same, find the 5 rational numbers. If you want to find out 3 rational numbers, you can find out 3 rational numbers. But I would like to take 5 rational numbers. So rational numbers are 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 are also rational numbers because we can write them in P by Q form. So first rule is we have to write them in P by Q form. So we'll write 7 upon 1, 8 upon 1. Why we have to take 1? So that its value will not change. So we wrote in P by Q form. Next we have to check whether denominator is same or not. So as denominator is same, so second step is also over. Then go for multiplying with suitable number. So total 5 rational numbers we need. So we have to multiply this 7 by 1, 8 by 1 with 6 or more than 6. So I'll multiply this with 6. You can multiply with any number more than 5. 7 6 are 42. 6 as it is. Then here 8 6 are 48 upon 6. So between 42 and 48, you have 43 upon 6, 44 upon 6, then 45 upon 6, then 46 upon 6, then 47 upon 6. So we will get exactly 5 rational numbers. Why? Because according to rule, denominator here both we wrote in P by Q form, denominators are also same. So when denominators are same and you multiply with exactly 6, you will get exactly 5 rational numbers. So therefore 5 rational numbers. Suppose you want to increase the rational numbers, multiply this with again 10 or more than 6. 5 rational numbers between 7 and 8. So these are the rational numbers which are between 7 and 8. Now we'll take some negative and positive rational numbers. So let us take rational number -3 and here we have 6 and you need to find out 5 rational numbers between -3 and 6. So write in P by Q form 6 by 1. Here, no need to go for second and third step. Why? Because if you see on number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And these all numbers we can write in this form. Isn't it? So between and these all are what? Rational numbers. Only thing what? We are not writing them in P by Q form. So from between minus 3 and 6. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 numbers, any 5 rational numbers you can take. So therefore I'll write 5 rational numbers. Because here only directly we are getting the numbers between minus 3 and 6. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If you want to write more, you can write more. 3, 4 and 5. If you are not getting directly, you can follow the steps here. So I hope you understood how to find out the rational numbers. So first step is write in P by Q form. Then make denominator same. If denominator same, then go for multiplying with suitable number. So that number should be, how many rational numbers they have asked? 5. So the number with suitable number with which you are going to multiply both the rational numbers should be what? That number plus 1 or more than that.